Choosing the right circular saw can make the difference between a smooth, accurate cut and a frustrating project. Many budget models lack power, precision, or battery compatibility, making woodworking and metal cutting more difficult than they should be. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best circular saws of 2026. Powerful tools designed for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and workshop users alike. We researched product specifications, features, and user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated pricing. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. SNUOK 125mm Handheld Electric Circular Saw. The SNUOK 125mm circular saw is a compact yet capable cordless cutting tool designed for users already invested in Makita 18-volt batteries. Powered by a 1,000-watt brushless motor, it delivers efficient cutting performance while reducing heat and maintenance requirements. The 125mm blade size makes it suitable for wood, plastic, and light metal applications. Its ergonomic handheld design improves control and comfort during extended use. Lightweight construction and cordless freedom make it a practical choice for DIY projects, home repairs, and everyday workshop tasks. Number 4. Electric Goddess 6-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw. The Electric Goddess 6-inch circular saw offers cordless convenience and impressive cutting power for woodworking projects. Designed to work with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, this saw features a high-efficiency 1,000-watt brushless motor that provides strong performance while extending runtime. The compact 6-inch blade allows precise cuts in boards, panels, and construction materials. Its ergonomic grip enhances handling and control, while the lightweight design reduces user fatigue. Whether you're building furniture or tackling renovation work, this saw delivers dependable cutting performance. Number 3. YOFIDRA 185mm 7-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw. The YOFIDRA 185mm circular saw is built for users who need larger cutting capacity and reliable cordless operation. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and a full-size 7-inch blade, it handles demanding woodworking tasks with ease. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, this tool offers flexibility and portability for both job site and workshop use. The large blade allows deeper cuts through lumber, plywood, and other construction materials. Combining strong performance, cordless convenience, and durable construction, it's an excellent option for serious DIYers and professionals. Number 2. Vilasting Cordless Brushless 6-inch Cold Cut Circular Saw. The Vilasting Cold Cut Circular Saw stands out thanks to its ability to efficiently cut metal while maintaining clean and accurate results. Powered by a brushless motor and compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, this cordless tool provides excellent portability without sacrificing performance. Its 6-inch blade is specifically suited for metalworking applications, producing smoother cuts with reduced sparks compared to traditional methods. The compact design improves maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for fabrication work, construction projects, and professional metal cutting tasks. Number 1. DOVAMAN 5.8A 4.5-inch Circular Saw. The DOVAMAN 5.8A circular saw earns the top spot with its impressive combination of precision, versatility, and value. Featuring a laser guide system, it helps users achieve straighter and more accurate cuts every time. The durable metal handle improves stability, while the included 6 blades support cutting wood, metal, tile, and other materials. With a maximum cut depth of 1 1/16 inches at 90 degrees, it handles a wide range of applications. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this saw is an excellent all-around choice for professionals and DIY users alike. A quality circular saw improves accuracy, efficiency, and overall project results. These 5 models offer excellent options for woodworking, construction, and metalworking needs. Whether you prefer cordless flexibility or versatile cutting performance, there's a saw here for every user. Which model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews.